Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
Let us say you're using your laptop both for personal work as well as working with clients, and you also want to attend meetings. Maybe you're teaching a class and you want to share your screen. So there are times when you're working working on something important, either for yourself or your client, and you got a call from another client saying they want to talk to you and they want to demo on something, right? So in that situation, you have so many things open on your desktop and or your laptop on a Windows 10 machine, and suddenly you need to connect to the next client, or a client you want to show a demo of. So that's when you need to create a way to show your screen, and you don't want to show all your personal stuff or any of the stuff which you're working on, but also you don't want to lose track of what you were doing. Instead of closing all these things and later on coming back and not knowing what you did before, the best way, Windows gives you a very good option called virtual desktop. So what you do is hold the Windows key, Control key, and D. So what this does is it opens a new desktop version of the session. And if you see, nothing is open. I mean, it's brand new session, and pretty much you can start sharing your screen without worrying about anything of your other stuff you're working on visible to the client or your students, stuff like that. So the other thing you need to see is, so you can see, even though I got a virtual desktop with everything clean, you see all these icons are showing. You want to hide them when when you're sharing a screen. One way to do that is right click on your screen and say view, and just say click on show desktop icons, uncheck it. So as soon as you do that, basically you got a blank screen, nothing on it. You pretty much have everything available for you now to safely show what the client needs. So you can focus on that by doing this. So if, let's say you want to, once your meeting is done, you can always turn back your keys, desktop icons. So to now, once you're finished screen sharing and meeting is done, you can close this virtual desktop by holding the Control, Windows, and F4 key. So there you go. You're back. All the stuff you're working on, if you see, there are a lot of windows open. There are a lot of applications open. You can still continue using it. So I hope you like this feature of Windows 10 and start using it in the future. Thank you.